morning. This is Dr. Warnock. Welcome to this week's Wednesday with Warnock. This morning, we just got off the bus. We had the opportunity to get here bright and early and ride an early morning route with our middle and high school and our elementary students with Mr. Terry. So bus 39, they were great. We're here with Freddie Pierce, who is our Director of Transportation. He works with Gold Star in partnership with Terrell ISD. So tell us, how long have you been here in Terrell?
Yes, going on my 11th year now here with the district.
11 years.
11 years, exactly. It's a great experience.
Yeah, we are just so thankful for you and for this team. Tell us something you think that maybe most people don't know about school bus transportation.
Well, the work that goes involved. Here very early, here very late. And the schedules we keep for the parents, I mean, obviously they know it, but some of the kids who may not know it. So, yeah, it's very important that we stay on point, on cue, on schedule per se, just so mom and dad can keep their schedule as well.
Yeah, so our bus drivers, what time do they start getting here in the morning?
Early, 5 a.m. we're here.
5 a.m. And then what time do we wrap up the work day?
Workday about 6 o'clock, 5:55, somewhere around there. The last bus is empty and headed back this way.
And I was amazed to see to the safety checks that happened. I mean, as we came in, the bus was checked. We stopped on our elementary route to make sure all the kids were buckled in. And Mr. Terry was, made sure everybody was following those protocols.
Exactly. It's important for us. The safety tips for the drivers, for the children, very, very important for the kids and for the community as a whole. So, without question.
Well, we just appreciate so much all the work you do and your partnership in Terrell. We so appreciate our bus drivers. We love you. Your job is hard, and you do such a great job taking care of our kids. We saw that today in action. So thank you for the work you do. Have a great week.